your production na say you see multiple cameras aya also share angles camera we for angle na camera we for na camera we for we say but say what is single camera na your production na obeden no asasa angles no it is say we say
water is the most essential resource for life. Yet across the globe, millions of people are facing water crisis. This doesn't only threaten their daily survival, but also the future of the entire ecosystem. This is something that really affects everyone as a whole. You're welcome to the Science Spotlight where
curiosity meets discovery.
My name is Jessica Naodakobuchi and
enti bribi say enene no me ne wo eba besia kai say aha eye Obitech solutions. First of all, no, what the camera feed, ebeba o production. Alright, into your fan say your camera input, any. Mami or that see your friend pretty or dark call. Me you see no as my main camera. Okay. Into the other say wo right click on settings na wa say ni so settings na e go video ni channel. I mean e wo camera no en channel. Right click so say na create virtual input. Inti so pe say e bia oye angles na multiple a obeye ni bebre. We are now clicking on the settings na e wo virtual input na we create no. Okay, inti you see we second one no. To make like settings to say na mako positions. Na where you see zoom ni zoom x ni zoom y pan ni we no. Ube you see now the create angle na person we create no. So this one me zoom picture no kakra. Me zoom ni kakra. I mean me camera input no. Me zoom ni kakra. So she ba we ni we ntem hwe we say hwe we na hwe we. On say we zoom more. Inti ma yenye another movement for we say. Me nko settings na we no me mane nko right side. Me ni say. In zoom ni kakra. I mean pushing no measure has say something like this. Okay. See say you 3 inputs. Okay. Yan fa ba kon ka ho na nye 4. Why? Nti yen create another input na eno so no. Yen zoom ni kakra na yen fa no measure left has say. Okay. Na measure has say. Okay. You see you 4 different inputs. Okay. Nti main input ni ni say ye adwuma. So I say press all switch here. And want to say when you see any of the faders now they are switch either cut and I say ube you see merge na odi asasa. You see merge you say near fansasa. You see merge. You understand? It's so simple. So simple. Okay. So simple. Right? Yeah. Enti ebusia. Say open say usia Vmix in-depth Vmix tutorial for video production, MCR, live streaming. Epacha obe contact Obitech Solutions na wabusia ewo ye hono no. Most of the times training no virtual. And this our brochi crampo na store na no obetua connect na oni yen esua de. After some person setting up radio station, TV station, podcast, and anything concerning broadcast, church live streaming, church projection, near the no. Over contacting Obitech Solutions near bo. Also create website for your business, e-commerce website, corporate website, business website, any kind of website you ever so create biano. If I show Obitech Solutions and over contact here www.obitechsolutions.net. Now what check in services. So here Vmix software ni bia no contact me. No me provide software na expire no a day amount. Okay? Nti ebusia we ya na ne me no bedi ho enkomo. Simple. Me ni me se wonya idea no. Nti ye be share e wo videos na edi enim ni mo baako.